All right.
There's a work side there on this side. I haven't got the curtains all open.
That's all right.
I put on the light for you now.
Tell me about your boat.
Hey?
Tell me about it.
Oh, you don't know much about your boat, yeah? That's our rudder, see? That's our propellers. This is where I make out. I mean, there's only a model, eh? This is where a pole knits up over on with hydraulic, eh? And this is we used to call them Kenooks for lacing up barrels of oil. That's our fire buckets. That's a life raft here. This is our antennas. That's a radar system for picking up the buoys underneath up here again, eh?
Uh-huh.
This is the ladder go up over there. The steps going up here.
Oh, yeah.
And that's a little lifeboat. You hoist it up, swings right over.
Oh, yeah.
That's supposed to be our spotlight there, right?
Yeah.
That's supposed to be our radar system there. That's supposed to be a horn. That's our starboard and port lights. And that's our anchors there. A chain box there. Anchors. Yeah. That's the grumps. That's for tying up through the water. See? Yeah. And I done her inside, my own, but you come on this side, you might. But I done her inside. You can see the wheel in there.
Yeah.
And that's supposed to be our compass, and our the chart is over here, and our divider for taking off course is on the deck, eh? But I got it done inside. But the ones I made for my girls now, I paint the out inside. I paint the outskirts. As I got a little stove and one thing another in there down there, you know what? Yeah, I called her the Sitting Sun.
How long did it take to make it?
Oh, I just done it in times, you know, after I didn't continue ahead. Yeah, I made 3 more, right, identify that, and for me 3 girls for keepsake after I died, right?
Yeah.
And they could be dead before me.
Wow.